What's up everyone, this is DarkDevilGaming here with a Pokemon Boundaries Crossed Blister. So, as you can see, I went to the store today and, well, I got this blister with as you can see, an ox, or no, you can't quite see at the moment, just let me get it out, and Haxorus promo. So let me just try to open this in a second. Okay, here we go. So we got an awesome Zoroark flip coin or a coin, and 3 booster Boundaries Cross booster packs. So let's see what we can pull. And finally, but not least, our promo card number. Let us focus for an instant. Oh, come on. And here we go, number 57. So it is a little bit bad, but I think we can handle it. So let's put it aside. Let's get into our booster packs. So we got black and white Kyurem, and let's start with this one. Whoa. So yeah, our little trading card one, and let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we can get. So we start with Azumarill, Watchog, Dewott, Emerald, Nahadish, Togepi, Spoink, Pokeball, Reverse Acidic, and whoa! Awesome card. I know it isn't an holo or anything, but I just really like this black Kyurem. As you can see, I got my Pokemon Black 2 instead. Let me just try to. Here we go. So yeah, black Kyurem. Let's just put this aside, and let's get into our white Kyurem booster pack. So these ones are really easy to open, as you can see. So our code card. Oh, this camera isn't helping us, isn't it? Is it? So let's see. So Lapuni, let's focus for an instant. Here you go. Whoops. Delcatty, Swanna. Oh, this focus thing isn't helping. Come on. Anyway, Tailo. See, here we go. A Voltorb, a Purloin. Whoa, so awesome. Cute Pikachu there. Energy Surge. Here we go. And Reverse Squirrel. Awesome. Whoa. And a Caesar Holo. Pretty awesome card. Really like Caesar. So yeah. And finally into our last black Kyurem booster pack. Oh my god, we just enrolled this pack, so start with our code card. So 1, 2, 3. Here we go. So Heracross, another Azumarill, and Wobbuffet. Come on, just focus for an instant. Here we go. Pokeball, another really cute Pikachu, Tailo, Vanipet, or Vaniped, or a Gligar, a Flygon, I think this is a reverse hand, oh my god, and Holo Blastoise. So here we go. Overall, I think we got some pretty nice pulls. So here we go, the main ones: a Caesar Holo, a Black Chiron, and a Blastoise. So this is my first booster pack opening. Believe it or not, this is my first time opening Pokemon booster packs or any card game booster packs. So I got it out of camera, but well, for a first time pack opening, I guess we got pretty nice pulls. So Black Chiron, Caesar, and our final, but not least, Blastoise. So I think it's everything for today, guys. So yeah, my first booster pack opening, as I said already, pretty much at all. So hope you guys enjoyed. Just remember to give it a like or subscribe if you like it, and well, I'll see you next time. See you guys.